This is the beginning of the second part video on how to put restrictions on portals in DotNetNuke. So just recap, we have set the limit of our new portal as having, let's see, 31 pages. So it gives an additional 10 pages on top of the 21 that already exist. So the admin user of this portal will be able to add 10 additional pages. When they reach 31, they will not be able to add anymore. So let's just go back to our site as admin and let's try to add a new page. Now we should be able to, if I click new and then page 1, let's try to save this. So we no longer see the message, and of course now we were able to add more pages to our new portal. Now let's have a look at the second setting there, actually the first one, which is called disk space. This is in megabytes. If there is a 0, there's no limit. But let's say that we want to put a limit of, again, let's extrapolate here. Let's put a limit of 10 megabytes. And what I'll be trying to do is I'll be trying to upload a file that is over 10 megabytes and see if it will work or not. I'm hoping that it will not work, but to be honest, I have never tried this setting. Let's have a look. 10 megabytes, let's update this. And now, as the admin in the other browser, let's go to admin file manager and let's try to add a file that is over 10 megabytes. Now, I do have a file already waiting for that. So let's click upload and let's select browse. Let's see where is this. So there's this test document which is 26 megabytes big. So let's click open. Let's try to upload and see what happens. Upload file. Whoa, an error has occurred. Okay, I guess that it's telling me that I cannot upload a file this size. Maybe let's try a small one and see if it works with a small one. Let's click browse, and then let's select a small one and see if it works. Let's click video. Video has only a couple of less than 1K. So let's click upload. So video we were able to upload. Let's have a look at the list here. So where is video? Maybe in the second page. Yeah, video is right here. So the error message that came up when the file was too big was not that friendly. That message could have been also because it was a huge file and the site is not ready for that size of file. Actually, there is a good information here, you see. It shows me that there is a 10 megabytes limit and it's showing me under the file manager how much I have been using already. So how about we try two smaller files of 5 megabytes each, see what happens. So I have selected 3 more files that we're gonna try to upload and see if we're gonna hit the limitation and if we're gonna get a better message. F1 4.8K, 4.8 megabytes. Let's try to open, upload. We should be able to because it's still in the limit, within the limit. See, it shows me 4.7 out of 10. Let's try to upload another one. And let's see there, F2, upload. We should be getting very close to the limit. Yep, and if we try to upload the last one, we should get something. We should get some sort of message saying that, well, there is a limitation and you cannot upload that. Let's see. Very good, very good. Please contact your hosting provider for inquiries related to increasing your portal disk space. Perfect. Friendly message. That one, again, that first message, it was most likely related to the file size, that it was too big, and unfortunately the message was not that friendly. But definitely we have reached the maximum disk quota for that portal, which is 10 megabytes. Now, the same should apply to user quota. I'm assuming that the admin user will be counted as 1. So I'm gonna give another, again, just for the sake of our testing, another 2 accounts, actually 3 accounts. And click update here. I'm now gonna go back, try to create some users and see how far we can go on that one. See user accounts. There's already one, which is the store admin. I'm gonna try to create a few more. Here's my new user. I'm gonna click add new user. And I'm gonna try a third one. Here's my third user, add new. And now I have reached my 3 users. I should not be able to create a 4th one, I believe. So let's try there. See, it says at the top, it's disabled, add new user. It says that adding this user exceed your user quota for the site. Perfect, so it did work as well. So this is how you can set limits to the portals that you have created. Now, the last setting that I want to mention is about premium modules. You can also remove modules from being displayed, from being available to portals as well. In our case here, it shows 2 columns, available modules and selected modules. Under the selected modules column, it will be displaying all modules that will be available. Let's go back as admin into our module dropdown. So all those modules are available. Let's play around a little bit with that one. You can see that there's a bunch of cat modules. Those are modules related to catalog. Let's give it a shot and remove all of them from the child portal store. Let's go as super user, and from this column, I'm gonna select everything that starts with cat. Not sure if I can do, I can do that in bulk. Perfect. So let's select everything here and let's send them all to the other side. So it will remove the modules from this portal only, We can always put them back. Click update. I go back to my portal as admin of that portal. If I refresh this page, I should no longer be able to see any cat related modules here. Perfect, I can no longer see them. So actually this is also another way that you can limit the access of modules from child portals, from portals within your .NETNuke install. Now remember that host account will always have access to those modules, but not admin account. So again, we have limited the disk space, we have limited the page quota, we have limited user quota, and we have limited the modules that will be available to the portals as well. So that's the way you can go about limiting your portals in .NETNuke. That's it for now. Thank you very much and bye.